What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Kickfix video. Excuse the absence, I've been gone for a while, the beard has grown a little bit. Been super busy again with Kickfix. I had some delays in the restorations, so had to take care of that first. And well, here's another video for y'all. First of all, thank you guys a lot for the subscriptions. Right now I have over 1,000 subscribers, so that's super nice. I told in many videos already that I'm gonna do a giveaway for if I would reach 1,000 subscribers, and I did, so I'm going to do that. Not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I might do some Instagram related giveaway, but I will tell in the outro. I have to think about it for a little more and then I'll make up my mind and let you guys know. So if you want to know, you can skip to the outro or you can just look at the rest of the video. So for this video I have well, I think I can call it a grill, yes. I mean, grills are always personal, you know. I mean, another guy's opinion on a shoe could be like it's a whack shoe, but then the next guy would say, wow, that's my grill. So for me, these are grills. I got these from the same dude as I bought the 97 leather ones from. His name is Dennis, he's from Germany. And Dennis, thank you very much, shout out to you for giving me good prices on these absolute killer Air Max 1s. So here's the first one. It's actually a pack that I bought. The Air Max 1 Shima Shima. Also written on the box. You can see it's that nice orange and brown old school box. Or old school from the 2000s. So it just says Air Max leather. The colorway is white, mid navy, medium gray, varsity red. And the color code is 604028148. And I have seen them already, of course. Because I was so busy I had no time to make a video, but you know, I had to open the box. I just couldn't wait any longer, so that's what I did. But here they are. Let's focus on them. Damn, so fucking clean. They do have a couple of flaws, but I mean, it's a shoe from 2003 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 2003. It came in a pack with a Air Trainer 1 and also a dunk, and a little later they also released a pack with the brown pair, which I'll show you in a minute, also with an Air Trainer and another dunk. And there also was one extra dunk that released that was I believe it was like light blue and some yellow accents, but they all had the striped liner. I believe also that's what Shima stands for, stripes. So it's like the stripe pack. At least it's not 3 stripes. It's a lot of stripes. So yeah, these are like pretty much dead stock. I mean, look at that, you can see all the nipples still. Just this nipple is a little bit worn down, and I mean, yeah, just look at the condition. The midsole has not been repainted. As you can see, the gray leather is cracking a little bit, but yeah, that's happening to this model. I've already conditioned the leather a little bit, so it won't crack any more or any further, I hope at least. I mean, I'm planning to wear them, so it's probably gonna happen anyway. But look at that dope tongue, super clean. I mean, the whole kick is really clean. On the insole also the Shima Shima. So yeah, of course, super nice shape. Look at that, man. So to get into the materials a little bit, the whole mudguard is this nice, super soft nubuck, just like the swoosh. That nice pointy swoosh. Also the no, not also. That was all the nubuck that's used. The toe box is leather. Then the mid panel and quarter panel is also leather, and the back tab too. And then the heel is the same leather as the toe box. Yeah, there are some small glue stains, like right here. Don't know if y'all can see that, but I mean, yeah, I'm not even gonna try to get it off. I mean, nubuck is pretty delicate, so I think if I'm gonna heat it and rub it a little bit, I might damage it too, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So here's the left side. Also has like no flaws. Still super clean. I think I got these for what was it? 170 probably, and yeah, I think that's a really nice price for these kicks. Yeah, of course the bubbles are super fogged up. I think I'm just gonna leave them like that and just wear them. The midsoles feel really firm, but they might crack on me on the first wear. I will see when I'm outside, who knows. If that happens, I will for sure sole swap them, because this is a shoe that just needs to hit the streets. So when I saw he had this pair for sale, he had an overview of more kicks that he had for sale, and I saw also the Shima Shima 2, the brown pair, in a little less condition, but I had to get those two. Wait, let me put them on the box so you can see them better. Yeah, really dope kick as well. Nice mushroom colorway. The suede is a little faded. These are worn a little bit more. The midsole also has lost some color. There's supposed to be some speckling on there, but yeah, you can still see it a little bit. But I mean, overall it's still pretty clean. The suede is still pretty much flippable. I don't know if it's visible though, but it's really soft, and yeah, just a clean colorway, man. I like multiple tones of brown, and then with that red accent on the tongue, which is still super clean, no fraying, nothing. Then for the insole, is it visible? Nah, it is worn down a little bit. You can't really see the complete logo anymore, but that's okay. So here's the outsole. You can still see some nipples on the lower pads, but there's still enough traction on here to rock them for days. And yeah, these have some spots, also some glue stains, but I actually don't really mind. These have to be re-glued a little bit, the toe caps, which has been done with, how do you say that, like 1 second glue. That's always like, shit, why would you do that, you know? But I'm just going to wear them and see what happens, because, you know, the soles might crack on me at the first wear, like I just told. So I have to see what the weather's gonna do now, because they predicted some rain and I don't want to wear these in the rain. Also the Shima ones I don't really want to wear in the rain. You know, just too clean. I don't want to get them wet or dirty or nothing. But it is definitely time to get these on feet. So I hope to do it today. If not, the video is gonna be delayed a little bit. But you know, I've been waiting a long time already, so a couple longer can it's alright too, right? Okay. So here's the on feet. Let's get it, man. Alright, so those were the B-rolls. I hope you liked them. I'm super happy with the pickup. Like I said before the B-rolls, I'm gonna do a giveaway because I've reached 1000 followers or subscribers. What you need to be doing is, of course, subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment, win, plus your shoe size. And also you need to follow me on Instagram at KIX_FIX_. And like and share the post of the giveaway, and also put your shoe size in a comment down there too, or with the share, one of the two. It's all good, just do it both. If you want to have a bigger chance, do it both. So yeah, that's it. I'm not sure which Air Max it is going to be, because it's going to be in your size, and I have a lot of Air Maxes in different sizes too, so it's going to be a pair from my collection. That's stock though, so a nice pair of Air Maxes you can win, just to show my appreciation for reaching 1000 subscribers. And you know, just hit the bell too while you're at it. Hit that bell, all uploads. So yeah, that's it. Good luck on the giveaway. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out.
Peace.